What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing a simple video for you guys. This is just an easy way to make either whether you're doing a brand or even if you're just doing, selling regular stuff, regular one-off shirts to people, just a way to spruce up your shirt a little bit, brand it a little bit better, make it your own, things like that. Easy, simple, cheap ways to do that. That's what this whole channel is about. I know in the comments a lot of people go on about things that I do on here and say you could do it for this, do it for that. My purpose with this channel is for the people starting off and doing things the cheap way, starting off to see if you even want to get into this. So, I read a lot of the comments. I appreciate everybody commenting and watching the videos, but some of the people have to understand this is a channel for people who are trying to do it, on a scale, a budget scale, basically, and not break the bank trying to do this stuff. So I'm gonna get into the video real quick about that. And today I'm gonna be talking about a tagging gun. I bought it off Amazon. I'll leave the links to everything. Real cheap way to brand your clothes, brand your shirts, even if you're not doing a brand. And so what I did was I got about 200 of them here. So I went into Adobe Illustrator, basically made up a logo, has Ruthless branding on there, and I did it on the front and back. And I also went to Amazon and I got the tag gun and I got a hole puncher, just a little hole puncher, and basically just to add a little bit more to your shirt, I gotta punch it out with the hole puncher. And then, like I said, I got this tagging gun on Amazon. So I'll show you guys, I'll put a shirt out on the table and I'll show you guys what I'm actually gonna be doing. But these cards, these are just straight business cards. I got these off of Amazon. I think I got 200 of them, front and back, for I believe it was like 15 bucks or something like that. So this is just another way, if you're doing a business, you do one-off shirts for people, you could use your own tag it up, and basically buy the gun. I think the gun was about 16, and you could just tag it up and brand it basically to be yours. And that way you could tear away the tags on a lot of these Gildan shirts, things like that. They come with the tear away tag. So you could brand it to make it your own, make it look a little bit better. Also, I've said in the past where you can get the transfer neck labels and, put whatever material it is, percentage, and then, put the size on the logo of your business or whatever in the back of it. And you can send them off that way. If you're doing a brand, even if you're just doing shirts for, people, if you're doing bulk orders, for schools, reunions, fundraisers, whatever. If you want to brand it to get your name out there, that's another way you could do it, is getting the transfer tags. So I'm gonna put a shirt out here. I'll set the camera up so you guys could see how I put one of these onto a shirt. Alright guys, so like I said, comes in your box. They give you obviously all the tags, different needles. You guys can see this, I'll lay it out for you. The tags, the gun, obviously. I bought the hole puncher separate. And then, like I said, I bought these business cards. I bought them separate. You can see I put the hole in it. So let me push this stuff out of the way. You just load the gun up. Very simple, comes with instructions. Grab a blank shirt here. You can either do it through the neck, or you can do it right through if you don't want to take this tag off. So all you're going to do is put it like that through your tag. Stick it through. That's it. Then you got yourself your own tags that you could put on your shirts to do branding, everything like that. It's just a quick video for you guys, and like I said, I'll leave the links to all this stuff in the description. Very cheap way to brand your clothing, do your clothing brand, or just to brand the things that you're selling one-off shirts to people as custom shirts. Alright guys, so like I said, just an easy way to brand your shirt. And I made one, obviously I made one with the same logo in vinyl, just to give you an idea. You could tag your shirt. You could put it under the armpit. If long sleeves, you could put it lower down. If you're doing jackets, you could put that wherever you want, or inside in the tags, in the neck. There's all different places that you could place these tags. Pull that back. It just gives it a better look. You know, it's more official when you do stuff like that. And like I said, it's nothing fancy. These are just business cards. I got the flat look on them. I didn't get any type of gloss to them just to keep it cheap. The hole puncher, like I said, I think was like $6. Everything together, maybe $30 for everything. So I'll leave the links to everything in the description so you guys can go and buy. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, everything in this video is off Amazon. I didn't go anywhere crazy expensive to get it. But so all you could do to brand, like I said, here's the gun. You know, it comes with the extra needles. And they actually send you the tags with it, which I'm sure I didn't even get to ordering these yet. I'm going to see how much they are, but I'll even leave a link to the tags, extra tags in there for you. So that's just a quick video for you guys. Like I said, these videos I'm doing for you guys is just a, you know, cheaper way to do things. That's what I'm basing this whole channel on. I don't want to take anything to a scale of, you know, having like $7,000 heat presses and this, that, and the other thing. And, you know, I'm trying to keep it basic. I'm actually keeping it to my means right now. Like I said in previous videos, I work a 9 to 5. I do this on the side. So I'm trying to do it for, you know, the everyday person that wants to try to do this out of home. You can keep it cheap. There is ways to do it without killing your bank, you know, buying stuff over time. There is ways to do it. So I hope this video helps anybody out. So if you guys would like, comment, subscribe, and I'm going to keep coming out with some more of this t-shirt content. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. All right, peace.